alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Model Pet Clothes. I will teach us several kinds of models. So today, inshallah, I want to teach us how to put buttonhole in our clothes without buttonhole machine. Using the straight machine is a kind of a trick that I normally use to put buttonhole on my clothes without using this one, without using this machine. See, without using this one or this one, okay, because they make use of light. So if there's no electricity, and instead of me to use my generator be boiling fuel, so I normally use this one. So you can also use this one without using the buttonhole machine, okay, or the machine that have the features of buttonhole on it. So how do we do it? I've been doing some, so I decided to share it or not, so everybody can see. So it is in the middle that we are going to just put blade. You use blade to cut the middle and your buttonhole is ready. Okay, so how do you want to do it? This is how you are going to do it. You know that when you are putting buttonhole on your clothes, you normally you make sure that you measure it equally, and you use your chalk to do what? To mark it. Let me put it here so that you can see. So from here, I'm using 4 inches interval. Okay, the upper part, I'm going to put a pin button here, okay, at the upper part. So from the upper part where I'm going to put the pin button, I now measure 4 inches on it before I now make the hole. So let me now, so from here, this is where I've stopped. Before I decided to share the video. So from here, I'm going to measure 4 inches. You can also use 5 inches too, if it's 5 inches. But if it is 4 inches, so you use your chalk to mark it. Okay, you use your chalk to mark the place. You can mark everything down. You just be putting them on your machine and be stitching them. So when you have measured the length that the measurement, the inches that you want to use, I'm using 4 inches there. So when you have measured the inches, then you place it on your machine like this, straight machine. I hope you can see this. Okay, you can see it. You place it on it like this. Okay, you place it, then you do it as if you are sewing straight. See, you now hold this place like this a little bit, as if you want to double stitch it. That is how you be doing it, please. Holding it little upward. You now stitch that one line many times, like 4 times. When you are done with that, you have to be careful so that it will not break your machine or cut your thread. When you are done with that, you do like this. See, one of it, you have stitched one. You can see that is one. You now do it in another place again, very close to that one that you've done before. Very, very close to it. You now do the same method. You hold it up. You hold it up a little bit. You double stitch it. That one part, you be stitching it like 4 or 5 times. Stitch it for 4 or 5 times. It will not be too long, depending on the length of the button that you want to use. There are some buttons that are very long. When you know that you want to use long button or big button, you make sure that the straight line will be big. Okay, you double stitch it. Look at it. It's done. You are done with it. So instead of waiting for buttonhole machine to use, then you cut it. Very, very simple. Just a kind of a trick. When you are done with it, people will not even know. Maybe you did not use buttonhole. So you have to be very careful when you are opening it. Then we now place our what do you call it? We place our blade. You cut the inside. You cut, you see the space that is inside, the place that do not have any stitching within. You see this one, there is stitching. This place there is stitching. So this place that there is no stitching, you do what? You now use blade. You now cut it. You have to be very careful when you are cutting it. You can even go as far as stitching this place too. This place, see, this place like this. You can go as far as doing that. Let's do that too, so that I can see. Let's do that. And also do that too. And it will be perfect. It will look as if you actually use your buttonhole to do it. So this is what I'm talking about. You can see You can see the way it look like. So you just use your blade to stitch to cut the inner, this place. You just cut inside. Your buttonhole is set even without using a buttonhole machine. You can use this straight machine and do it. I don't know why I love this straight machine, apart because it's very very economical. No need of using light when there's no light, electricity. When there's no electricity, you can use it. When there's electricity, you can use it, and you're set to go. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So please do like this YouTube channel and share so that it can go. Okay, this is Mude Prestige. If you're first time, if this is the first time you're coming across this YouTube channel, please subscribe so that you can see our subsequent video that is being uploaded on this YouTube channel. But if you are our returning subscriber, thank you very much for coming back. Okay, we really appreciate you. Please like and share so that this YouTube channel can go. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.